Rich and bitch.
Nasunog ko yung sibuyas.
Go heavy, we go light.
Nakwit ko yung game. Dami kasing alam eh. Dami kasing alam eh. Nasunog ko yung sibuyas. Buong puta.
Luto ako ng mackerel. Then, nanonood ako ng Rich and Bitch. Then, nagawa ulit ako ng iced coffee because why not?
Nakwit ko yung game. What the fuck?
Right, peeps. I'm done working and I'm planning to run today. I was thinking of wearing my Vomero Premium or my Super Blast too. Which one? We go heavy, we go light. I'll just eat something. Medyo matagal-tagal din ako hindi nakatakbo. So, tara, takbo.
Ngay pala ng kwintas ko.
One more.